welcome to Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today's topic is compound interest, a small topic of chapter 8, comparing quantities. Try these questions of page number 126 and 129. So our topic is compound interest. Children, you have learned simple interest equal to PRT upon 100, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is time. Amount A equal to principal plus interest. Now we are discussing about compound interest. For that, amount equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to N, where A is the amount, P is principal, R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of years. So we got compound amount. To get compound interest, I equal to A minus P. And we can see what is the application of compound interest formula. We can see that to find increase or decrease in population, growth of bacteria if the rate of growth is known, the value of an item if its price increases or decreases in the intermediate years. In these situations, to calculate this, we use the formula of compound interest. Let's move to our sum. First sum, find the interest and amount to be paid on rupees 15,000 at 5% per annum after 2 years. This is the question. We have to find the interest and amount, that is I and A we have to find. So whenever you got the question, what is given in the question, you have to write it first. So the question is find the interest and amount to be paid on rupees 15,000. That means our principal P equal to 15,000 at 5% per annum. Percentage is given, that is rate of interest only. So R equal to 5% P dot A per annum. After 2 years means time equal to 2 years. Now we have to find I and A. And you know the formula of simple interest, PRT upon 100. We have to substitute the value over here. 2 zeros from the numerator and the denominator will be cancelled. We get the numerator as 150 into 5 into 2 and the denominator 1. While multiplying we get 1,500. So our simple interest is rupees 1,500 and the amount to be paid equal to principal plus interest. So rupees 15,000 plus 1,500 equal to 16,500. So the interest to be paid is rupees 1,500 and the amount to be paid is rupees 16,500. Next question, find compound interest on a sum of rupees 8,000 for 2 years at 5% per annum compounded annually. So here sum means principal equal to rupees 8,000, time equal to 2 years, and R rate of interest equal to 5% per annum. We have to calculate interest, compound interest I. So here it is asking compound interest. We can write the formula amount A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Substitute the values given here. So we get 8,000 into 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 2. N is the time period, so here time is 2 years, so we can write here N equal to 2. 5 and 100 can be cancelled, we get 1 upon 20. Get it. Now after taking the LCM, inside the bracket we get 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 20. So we get 8000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20, because 1 plus 1 upon 20 whole square. While solving we get 21 upon 20. We have to write 2 times. That is 8000 multiplied by 21 into 21 whole divided by 400. Cancelling 400 and 8000, we get 20 into 21 into 21. While multiplying we get rupees 8820. What is this rupees 8820? Is it compound interest? No, it is the compound amount. Now we have to find compound interest equal to A minus B. Our A is rupees 8000. A we found rupees 8820 minus principal is 8000. While subtracting we get rupees 820, which is the required answer. The question is find compound interest on a sum of rupees 8000. So the compound interest will be rupees 820. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.